Griddle Grits on the Blackstone 14-inch griddle with side burner. Yes, these are yesterday grits being warmed up on the griddle. We're going to warm up those grits in some fresh bacon grease. The bacon's done. Now to add some onion and bell pepper. You ever had fried grits before? That's yesterday's grits fried up on the griddle. Adding eggs to create my omelet. I have enjoyed cooking various menu items on the Blackstone 14-inch griddle with side burner. Looking forward to cooking the various menu items we have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner during the campout. I look forward to sharing those videos of the campout with you at a later time. Eggs with bell pepper and onion. Yesterday's grits, fried on the griddle. Marvelous. Just 10 more days and I'll be camping in our RV and doing this on the campout. For those that are saying, hey, where's the coffee? My response is, just because you don't see it doesn't mean it's not there. Coffee, that is. I have coffee almost all day long. Some days I'll drink 12 cups of coffee. You can rest assured I have coffee for breakfast. Thank you for watching Adventures of Charlie and Lynn YouTube channel.